A faceless YouTube channel does not show the YouTuber's face. There are times when we do not even hear their voice, and yet many faceless channels make millions of views. YouTube has a booming trend of anonymous faceless channels that draw millions of viewers. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 viral faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can copy. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Benefits of faceless YouTube channels. No-face YouTube channels are the best for 4 reasons. A faceless channel is easy to maintain. Save on heavy investments like cameras, lights, mic, etc. Don't have to worry about being camera shy. Can avoid unwarranted attention from family, friends, and co-workers. 1. Motivational videos. Every great journey begins with a single step, but too often we wait. We wait for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, or the perfect version of ourselves to finally begin. The truth is, there is no perfect moment. There's only now. You don't need permission to chase your dreams. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to be brave for one moment at a time. That's all it takes. 1 second of courage to move forward, even when the odds seem against you. The people you admire, the ones who seem to have it all figured out, they struggled too. They had doubts. They failed. But what set them apart was their decision to keep going, to rise every time they fell, to believe that their story was not over, even when it looked like it was. You are capable of more than you know. The strength you're searching for, it's already inside you. And the dream you keep thinking about, it's waiting on the other side of your action. So stop waiting for the right time. Stop holding back because you're afraid. Start now. Start small, but just start. 2. Scary stories. Scary stories. Videos are a type of content that pull viewers into a world of darkness, fear, and mystery. These videos usually feature eerie narrations set against haunting visuals and chilling sound effects. The goal is simple: to make your audience feel something. A shiver, a heartbeat skipped, that quiet, lingering fear that stays even after the screen goes dark. You don't need to show your face. In fact, the faceless format makes it even more mysterious. Just a voice or even a text-to-speech narrator combined with unsettling music and visuals can create an atmosphere that grips the viewer from the first second to the last. These stories might be fictional, inspired by folklore, or based on true events. Some tell tales of ghosts and haunted houses. Others take viewers deep into the woods or late-night roads, where something is always watching. The tension builds slowly, and just when the viewer thinks they're safe, the twist hits. What makes these videos powerful is not just the fear, but the experience. They give people an escape, a thrill, a moment where the world goes quiet, and the story takes over. 3. Cooking videos. Cooking videos are more than just recipes on screen. They're an experience. Whether it's the sound of sizzling oil, the slow pour of melted chocolate, or the final garnish on a steaming plate, each moment pulls the viewer in. You don't need a face, just hands, ingredients, and the magic of good editing. These videos can be relaxing, educational, or even mouth-wateringly addictive. Some creators focus on traditional dishes passed down through generations. Others bring street food or modern hacks right into your kitchen. You can teach, inspire, or simply satisfy someone's craving with a quick visual treat. The beauty of faceless cooking content is its universal appeal. It breaks language barriers. It doesn't need dialogue, just clear visuals, ambient music, and the rhythm of cooking steps. From 5-minute recipes to full-course meals, every video is a chance to share something that brings comfort and joy. In the end, it's not just about food, it's about feeling. And when viewers see the final dish, they're not just hungry, they're connected. 4. Historical story videos. Historical story videos take viewers on a journey through time. They uncover the forgotten, the legendary, and the moments that shaped our world. With a faceless format, the focus stays entirely on the story, the visuals, the atmosphere, and the power of the past. These videos breathe life into events we only read about: wars, revolutions, ancient empires, untold tales of kings and queens, inventors and rebels. Each story is a doorway into a different era, a different mindset, a different world. And with the right visuals and narration, history doesn't just teach, it captivates. There's something hauntingly beautiful about hearing the rise and fall of civilizations, the mysteries behind powerful leaders, or the quiet bravery of unknown heroes. Historical story videos give these moments a new voice, often one that was lost or silenced. For faceless channels, it's a perfect match. You can use AI voices, old maps, dramatic music, archival footage, or animations to pull the viewer deep into the past. It's more than content, it's storytelling with purpose. Because when history is told well, it doesn't feel old, it feels alive. 5. Travel videos. Travel videos open a window to the world, letting viewers escape their routine and explore the unknown, all without leaving home. You don't need to show your face, just the sound of waves crashing, city streets buzzing, or wind rushing through mountain passes can make someone feel like they're right there with you. It's not just about the places, it's about the feeling. The moment when the sun rises over a quiet beach, the energy of a crowded night market, the peace of a hidden trail no one else seems to know about. Every frame tells a story. Every shot holds emotion. With a faceless format, the focus stays on the journey itself. From drone footage to walking tours, from local food spots to cultural gems, it's all about capturing authentic moments and stitching them together with music, ambient sound, and thoughtful narration. Travel videos don't just inform, they inspire. They invite people to dream bigger, to explore deeper, and to remember that the world is full of beauty waiting to be discovered. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for new home style videos. See you in the next video.